Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to provide you a little bit information about chapter 5, which one is actually about the formula, or you can say also formulae, because there are lots of formula. Anyway, first of all, there are two formula already I showed you in the class. Which one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Which one is this one? This one already I showed you how they come from this one to that one, but again I am going to explain a little bit here. It means a plus b whole square means the a plus b is getting multiplied for 2 times. So I'm going to zoom it a little bit. Here you go. So a plus b into a plus b, because of the square we are multiplying for the that one for 2 times. So a I'm going to write down over here, and this second expression over here, then plus b, then the second expression. That means a is multiplying that one for 1 time and b is multiplying that one for 1 time. As all of them are positive, I don't have to worry about the symbols. I'm going to just multiply them by writing all the pluses. A into a square, a into b, ab, b into a means ab actually. Okay, try to do that one, directly that one. I always ask you to write down in alphabetical order, so that you don't have to write down for 2 times. No need to write for that line, that one will be fine. And here b into b makes b square. After that you can see 1 ab and 1 ab. There are 2 1 ab, so we are going to add them, so we'll get this one. From that we'll get this. Okay, this is how you get the formula done. Another formula is that one, which one actually a minus b whole square. Now already I have told you we are multiplying for 2 times. as you can see that I am overwrited, don't mind. So a minus b into a minus b. So a is getting multiplied with a minus b for 1 time, and minus b is getting multiplied with that one for another time. So here there are little bit minuses, but a is having plus. So plus a plus a plus a into a square, plus a minus a into b, ab. Now here minus b, minus a plus a minus, and b into a makes ab, alphabetical order, minus a plus, b into b, b square. This is the line. I've actually overwritten that line, don't mind that. So there are 2 minuses, the same term. Okay, so we are going to add them, and it will become 1 minus ab, 1 minus ab makes 2 minus ab, and this is the line. Okay, this is how we are going to do the math. Now I'm going to talk about the example 1, which one is on page 79. Determining the square of m plus n, square of m plus n. First line we are going to write down is square of m plus n is equal to m plus n whole square. Please do say whole square, because we are actually squaring the whole thing. Okay, this is why we say whole square. After bracket, if this is square, then you need to say whole square. Here, if m is considered, let me show you my copy. Okay, square of m plus n, then we are going to give the square over here, whole square. Now consider that one as m, as the first one as a, and the second one as b. On that time, we will have our this formula, a plus b whole square. Do say like that. Okay, I have, for the betterment, I have write down the formula over here. You can say that. Here, if I considered m as a and n as b, on the time we are going to say something like that: a square plus 2ab plus b square. But as I am like little bit old about this, so I am actually saying m square plus 2mn plus n square. When you will keep doing that and practicing them, you will be also able to say something like this. You don't have to go for the basic thing again and again. One time you learn it, then you learn it. You don't have to practice it anymore. So I'm giving bracket over here. Why we are giving bracket? Sometime we have not only variable, also numbers. On the time we must give the bracket, and here if I am giving bracket, it means they are multiplying in condition in multiplication. Okay, so m into m means m square, 2mn. Here m into n makes n square. Okay, I don't think I need to explain it more because all of you are actually very good with them. Now square of, this is example 2 actually, square of 3x plus 4. Consider 3x a and consider 4 as b. On the time what will happen, we will say something like this: a square, this one, a square plus 2a into b plus b square. This is my b, this is the square. Okay, so here why I am writing this for 2 times? Because of the square. Okay, because of the square I am going to write down 3x into 3x. Here I am multiplying 2 into 4 as they are the number. So 2 into 4 makes 8, and this will be over here. I am going to do the multiplication on the next line. Here 4 square means 4 into 4. Now 3 3 is a 9. X into x makes x square. 3 8 is a 24. X will be here because we don't have anything to do with x. 4 into 4 makes 16. Okay, so this is your answer of squaring that part. Okay, this is the example 5 from page 81. Which one you cannot see? Maybe 81. I'm going to explain that one. Determine the square of p minus q. Now we are going to follow the formula 2. Okay, square of p minus q whole square. Now p will be considered as a, q will be considered as b. So when you are actually saying a square, just write down p whole square minus 2 into, I would like to give the square bracket over here, 2 into a into b plus b square, which one is our q. Now you can say, taking off the bracket, p into p makes p square, 2pq and q square. The minus is formed from the formula's minus. Okay, so we are not going to worry about that one. We will just follow, if inside this is minus, then 2 will be having also minus in front of it. Okay, now I'm going to talk about example 6 here. Square of 5x. Actually, I also want to say sorry about the echoes are, I'm trying to say today I'm going to talk a little bit what should I say, quietly so that I don't have echoes that much. Still, if it is going on, then I'm sorry about it. Square of 5x minus 3y. So we are writing that one. Then 5x minus 3y whole square, following by the formula of a minus b whole square, a square minus a 2 into a into b, then the b square. Here they didn't write down anything like explaining part, so I would ask you to write by yourself 5x into 5x, then minus. If you want, you can write down all the numbers by multiplying 5 into 2, 10x into 3y, or you can also get down all the way like 5 into 3 into 2 makes I think 30xy plus 3 into 3y into 3y. Okay, the next line you will get 5 into 5 makes 25x square minus 30xy from here, and 3 into 3 makes 9, y into 1 makes y square. Okay, this is your answer. I'm going to explain another thing, example 7. Example 7 is actually only one number they gave us, 98, but we need two terms, isn't it? But how to make two terms? To making it 98 as a two terms, we can go for like 100 minus 2, it is 98. Okay, 98 square of 98 equal to 98 square, then break it down like this. Then